If your plan is to get to Brazil before the end of 2025, it is still possible with the help of God, and with one of these opportunities that I'm bringing your way. You can come to Brazil under the academic route before the end of 2025. We are still in the month of July, and we still have some months that you can put some things together. So today I'm bringing to you an important opportunity that you can take advantage of if your plan is to get to Brazil before 2025. And the courses, there are different courses actually on the SIGA of this school, and I have gone through one of them. I actually applied to one that closes on Sunday, and I felt I should just share this with my community. So if your plan again is to get to Brazil before the end of 2025, why don't you just take advantage of one of these courses and apply? The school we are checking on today is in Bahia, and is in the state of it's in the city of Salvador. Okay, so Bahia is actually one of the most popular cities in Brazil in terms of where you can see people of black color, black race, and all of that. So without further ado, I'm already at the SIGA, and I'm going to be dropping the link directly to this SIGA in the video description box. So check it down there and click so that you can just see everything that I'm going to be talking about in this video. So if you are seeing this video for the first time, or if you are seeing this channel for the first time, you are welcome. My name is Knowledge Blog, and what I do basically here is to share opportunities abroad, in Brazil and in other parts of the world, just to help people in realizing their graduate dreams. So again, you're welcome. I would like you to kindly give the video a like, and please kindly share with someone that may be interested. If you are yet to subscribe, please kindly subscribe. Without further ado, let's just go straight to the opportunities. Like I said, we have so many opportunities right now that are still open. Some of them are going to be closing very soon, let's say on Thursday, or some on Friday of this month of July. However, we have some that are going to be closing in the month of August, so you can take advantage of all of these ones that will be closing in the month of August. That is, if you really don't have the strength, or you didn't prepare, you don't have your document ready, I won't advise you, don't do a sharpie work. So I won't advise you to go for those ones that is going to be closing soon. But if your area is within the ones that is still going to be closing August, so take your time and prepare a strong application, then apply. So the first one on my list is doctorate in electrical engineering. They are looking for 10 candidates, and this is going to be closing on the 25th of July. Again, if you don't have a document for this, there is no need for you to start rushing. This one is a fantastic one too. Master's degree in electrical engineering, and guys, look at how many people they are looking for. 40 combined together, that is like 50 already, right? And again, these opportunities are for Brazilians. International students can also apply, foreigners can also apply, and over I've seen people come applying to all these opportunities that I make video about, and God is granting them the favor. It is not because of the fact that they are saying it on the channel, but it's because God has actually made it. God is making it possible for them. So again, if your dream is to come to Brazil, keep it locked to this channel. There is a special opportunity that you are going to be seeing on this channel. So the next one is professional master's degree in curriculum, language and pedagogical innovations. It's going to be closing on the 7th of August. I like this course especially if you are in the area of language. This is a very interesting course for you. It is the doctorate one is called language and culture, but in the master's degree it is curriculum, languages and pedagogical innovation. So if your first degree was in education, you can definitely apply for this one. All of you that have been looking for opportunities in education. Come on, this is your opportunity. So we have education and we have so many fantastic courses right now that are still open. So this one too is still going to be until August 7th. So you still have like 2 or 3 weeks right now. Then the PhD is going to be closing on the 21st of August. We have like 1 month left. Master's degree in language and culture. Okay, so these two are actually the same. Master degree in language and culture. Wow, 60 people. Wow, and it's actually an academic master's degree, not a professional master's degree. I like it. If your background is in education and you have been looking for, please, I beg you, kindly apply for this opportunity. It's going to be closing on the 21st. I like this. That is very, very interesting, especially if you are in the area of language. The next one is doctorate in architecture and urban planning, and it's going to be closing on the 17th. 20 people. Master's degree in architecture. The first one is doctorate, next one is masters, and the master is looking for 25 people. The next one is master's degree in food science. So food science is also one of the courses I've heard people saying they are looking for opportunity in. So guys, if you are still looking for opportunity in food science, why don't you take advantage of this, apply. And in fact, I'm just going to be clicking this food science to do a simulation so that we can all see how you can see how easy the application process is. So we still have some other courses like biodiversity and evolution, master degree in mechatronics, both masters and PhD, right? So we have master degree in interdisciplinary studies on the university. Then we have doctorate in performing arts. Oh, this one has it hasn't closed. I think it hasn't started. They have not even you can't start yet. So it's going to be started. I think that's why it's not turning green, because it's still like they've kind of put it on the roll. They've scheduled it already. But from the 18th of August, it will turn green so that people can start applying, people can start sending their application. So if you are looking for opportunity in performing arts, please kindly apply to this one. So the rest down, they've expired. Okay, so again, Bahia, Salvador is a beautiful place that you can study. Okay, and so like I said, I'm going to be using the food. Where is the food? I think I saw something food while I was looking at the different opportunities that are available on this particular website. So I'm going to be using this food science as a simulation. Alright, so guys, we're going to be using the food science to simulate. Nonetheless, don't forget that beyond knowing all the available courses, there's also need for you to know how to apply. There's a need for you to know the requirement. And one thing that I've noticed over the past years or over time is that individual program usually have specific requirements. So whatever that is going to be required for food science might be different from what will be required for this master's degree in conservation or in this one master degree in biodiversity. So what is needed for you to do is to check all these requirements yourself. So for you to do that, you can click here and it's going to take you to the program, you can see access program website. So it will take you to the program website, and from the program website you can also check the editor. So on the editor, there will definitely be it's a file that tells you every important information that you need, documents you need, and sometimes it contains a timetable of how the whole process will go. So guys, before you plan to apply or before you apply, make sure that you read. This document is going to be in Portuguese. Once you download, translate it to English so that you can have a better understanding. That is, if you don't understand Portuguese yet. But if you understand Portuguese, there may not be need for you to translate. But if you don't understand Portuguese, try to translate the Portuguese to English language so that you can understand what it is saying. So right now I'm going to be clicking I'm going to be using this food science, so I'll click this part. So right now it has brought me to this place saying master's degree in food science, and it's going to be at Salvador. So the registration period is telling us here. So that editor I'm talking about, you can download it here. It will give you detailed information on how to go about it. For this one, there is a need for you to pay registration fee, and I also believe that there will be opportunity to request for waiver. So all this information, you're going to see them on this download file, so try to check it. And now here you might be wondering, oh, you don't have a CPF, just click this part. So once you click this part, you'll be able to fill some other areas, that is the person is a foreigner and does not have a CPF. So automatically, or it already gives you like an insight that foreigner are also expected to apply for this opportunity. So once you get there, just make sure you fill every other places, and of course, you know, your latest CV and your proposal is very important. Your proposal is going to be uploaded here, then your latest CV and the supporting document. On your latest CV, there would be sections where you know, there's a production section, there's a performance section. So there's a section where you would detail every of your experience. So any event that you have gone through to, or any event that you have participated in and you have a certificate, make sure that you do not just mention them on your latest CV. Also try to attach them. So there's a section here, it says must present the list of documents as per item 4.1.3 of the notice. So the PDF that I was talking about earlier on that you can download on item 4.1.3 says that all the document must be attached in a single file, and that single file must be uploaded here. And make sure that the attachment or the merging is done accordingly. Okay, so if a certificate is for a poster presentation that you went for at let's say University of Sao Paulo is the first one, make sure that you attach that first. Then if another one that you went for was in Canada, make sure you attach that one second, and you know, on and on like that. So I'm giving you tips as, you know, one of the things that can make your application to stand out. So guys, make sure that you do. In fact, if you don't do as it is stipulated or as it is requested, sometimes it can affect someone's application. So guys, I'm wishing you best of luck in your application. Don't forget, if your area is not in this video, you can also be expecting it to be in the other video I'm going to be uploading very soon. So, and if you have someone, or if you know someone that is interested in studying in Brazil, especially that is interested in coming this year, all these opportunities I'm talking about, they are for second semester of 2025. So if you are selected, you can still come to Brazil and start your program this year. And again guys, from what I've seen, from what we are hearing, things are changing. So please try to make your application before, you know, things totally change and you know, you're unable to do that again. If you're unable to write your proposal, or you need someone that can help you to create your latest CV, kindly reach out to me and I will help you to do all of that. And if you also need someone that can help you apply, do the writing of the proposal, and do the writing of the CV, and do the application, submit the application on your behalf, I can also do that for you. So reach out to me, send me an email, and we can take it up from there. Nonetheless, as I've always been saying, it is something you can do yourself. I'm wishing you best of luck in your endeavor. I'm wishing you best of luck in your application. I will see you in the next video. Ate breve. Ciao ciao.